I'm Camille with 30 Day Singer, and today I'm taking you through 4 exercises to help you sing really high without straining. Please note that we're in head voice today, and before we get started, I want to give you 3 tips to keep in mind moving forward. 1. Be patient and consistent. Stretching your range takes time, but you will make progress with daily practice. 2. Relax. The biggest hindrance to your highest pitches is tension. The more you relax, open up, and let go, the easier it's going to be. 3. Don't judge the sound. In the beginning, our goal is phonation, or just making sound. So the sound that you make might crack apart, it might be breathy or sound squeaky. That's okay. Over time, we'll be able to relax and achieve a better tone quality. Recap those 3 rules with me before we move forward. 1. Be patient and consistent. 2. Relax. And 3. Do not judge the sound. Exercise number 1 will be a gentle, medium range lip trill, so we're not going too high just yet. Our pattern will sound like this. Try supporting the corners of your mouth if you're having a hard time getting that lip trill going. And if it does not work for you today at all, you can always just go to a hum. Everyone's going to start on A3. Find that pitch. And here we go. Now we're ready to stretch a little bit higher, and for that I'm choosing the NG sound. The NG is my very favorite shape for training high head voice because it helps take any pressure off of the larynx, and it also translates well to open vowels, which we'll get to later today. First, just find the sustained NG sound with me. You can say the word sing, and then hold on to the end. Sing. Any pitch. Straight to the NG. And now everyone find middle C. We'll sing on a 1-5-1 pattern. And if you lose it at any point, pause the video, rewind a little bit, and see if you can try again. Here we go, everyone starting on middle C, C4. Now it's time to remove the training wheels, but to do it gradually. So we're going to use that NG as our setup on that same 1-5 slide. Then we're going to open up to a vowel and slide back down. The vowel does not matter. Could be an ah, e, whatever feels most comfy and stable for you. So again, that exercise is Everyone find D4, and here we go. Final exercise, we're singing on an open vowel, and our pattern will sound like this. E. Any vowel will do. I'm demonstrating on E, but you can play around, see what vowel feels the most stable. Because we're singing on an open vowel, you might experience more cracks or air in your sound. That's okay. Remember, air is okay. Straining, squeezing, and forcing the sound is not. Everyone find D4 for our starting note, and we're sliding up to G4. E. Before coming back down. E. Let's give it a try and keep going. Great work today! Please return to this video whenever you'd like to work on high head voice without straining. Subscribe for more free videos like this one, and visit 30daysinger.com for our full singing courses.